For sale, 2017 Freightliner M2 61 Altec AN55E-OC over-center material handling bucket truck 4x4. The 2017 Freightliner M2 equipped with an Altec AN55E-OC aerial lift is a heavy-duty over-center bucket truck engineered for professional utility, line maintenance, and construction service work. Powered by a Cummins ISL 8.9-liter diesel engine producing 300 horsepower and paired with an Allison 3500RDS automatic transmission, it delivers exceptional torque, durability, and control. With a 37,000-pound GVWR and 4x4 drivetrain, it offers dependable off-road performance and high-capacity lifting capability suited for rugged job site environments. The Altec AN55E-OC articulating over-center boom provides a 61.5-foot working height, 56.5-foot platform height, and 50.3-foot side reach. The platform includes a 350-pound rated capacity and a 700-pound material handling jib for lifting poles, transformers, and heavy components. The boom system features Category D, 46 kilovolts, insulation, continuous rotation, hydraulic leveling, and Altec's ISO grip control system for smooth, precise movements. Additional features include a phase-lifting jib attachment, heel winch, power inverter, and low-range transfer case. Built on a 196-inch wheelbase, this truck includes front spring suspension, rear air suspension, and a steel utility body with multiple lockable compartments for secure equipment storage. It's fitted with dual outriggers for stability, front bumper winch, and tow hitch for added versatility. Fleet maintained and one owner, this unit has a clean Carfax and is presented in excellent mechanical and cosmetic condition. The 2017 Freightliner M2 with Altec AN55E-OC boom is a fully operational turnkey utility truck that combines power, precision, and reliability for demanding field applications.
Looking for a reliable work truck with financing that works for you? Truck and Van Outlet is your destination for top-quality commercial vehicles and zero down payment financing designed to help business owners, contractors, and fleet operators hit the road without the financial headache. Whether you're hauling cargo, lifting with a bucket truck, or handling construction jobs with a dump body, our inventory is built for hard work and real-world performance. Each truck is thoroughly inspected, professionally maintained, and ready to go. Because downtime isn't an option when you've got jobs to finish and clients to serve. We offer easy and flexible financing options, nationwide delivery, and a customer-first approach that's earned us a reputation you can trust. Our team is here to guide you every step of the way, from selecting the right vehicle to getting you approved and rolling fast. At Truck and Van Outlet, it's more than just a sale, it's a partnership. Because when your business moves, we move with you. Call us today at 305-646-1945 or visit truckandvanoutlet.com to browse our inventory and apply for financing. Your next work truck is just a click away. Truck and Van Outlet. Tough trucks, easy terms, real value.